Good afternoon. How are you? I am John Albeiro Helves Heredia. I am 30 years old. I live in Piedecuesta. I live with my partner and we have 2 children. I work. I am poultry company. What are you, strange? And Genesis? Strange. I am a very honest person. I can find a solution to problems that arise. My dedication person, I am Morovic Marcel Daily, and I am aware of my goals. Genesis, I am impatient when it comes to completing a assigned task of education. I can become a perfectionist lack of confidence in my legs. Do you have plans to continue your education? I want to continue studying. I would love to do a master degree and then a doctorate to continue expanding my knowledge. Why do you think you are suited for this position? Because I am sure that with my skills and attitudes, your company will be currently the right person. I am sure that I am highly qualified for this position. What are your short-term goals? My first short-term goal is to get the job I am applying for, keep learning and perform my job correctly, receiving my professional cardboard. What are your long-term goals? Do speculation improve my quality of living and have a vacation with my family in Europe. Please describe your work experience. I started as a SENA student in the poultry company. After I am 4 years in this company, I became a production and quality auxiliary, and I currently hold the position of clean and disinfection supervisor. What leadership or managerial position have you held? Teamwork as production and quality assistant, working as a supervisor in the cleaning and disinfection area, working the poultry plant. What strength will you bring to acting? Teamwork, responsibility, knowledge, be a good intuitive ability to solve problems. Which aspects can you help to improve your professional area? I can improve dialogue, commitment, responsibility, and honesty. What can you do for the work for your profession respective? Improve the quality of food and not generate results that affect the environment. Thank you.